Hi guys, in this chapter we will learn that how to assign the labels in the parcels and how to create the data tables in Civil 3D. So let's go start now. We have one property boundary here and also the plotting line here. So first we have to create the parcels. Just go here and click parcel from the object, then select the all, then into the enters and give to your site name and property as you like. Here you can choose the styles of, okay, I'm choosing here property, and here is the parcel number. Okay, parcel number I'm choosing, or as you like your option you can choose. And this check erase existing entitlements, this line will be all will be erased. So just okay here, and you see the parcel is created. But number start from where you see the 12 number, 13 number, 14, 15, 16 start. We will change it, no problem. So how to we assign the length or width of the our plots. So just we click here, then here you see the parcel properties. You can open here properties. Okay, then here are options. You can choose from the here. Otherwise, just click and go to here add labels and the single segment see telling the lengths like here. Just click, then 1, 2, okay, 3 and 4. Here this length is the 124 meters, and this is the south and east. This is the corner value in coordinates. Okay, and other options are here. You see, just select another one. I'm going to select it here. Then multiple segment. Just click here, and clockwise or anti-clockwise. I need the clockwise. Just you see, once is to assign the all labels. Another way, you see, just select here property or match property. You can use match property. Then select here and click the all and hit the enters. Nothing changed, same as it is. Or you just click and match property. Okay, then you can select the all same will be happen. This option I will show you to later how to it work. Okay, now see, we want to change here some, we want to edit, then just you click once here. Okay, then go to property, label property here, then you can change from here your properties. Otherwise, sorry, otherwise edit the styles. Go to here and label property, then edit label style, then you will get this dialog. Just here you know so many options are available. If you want to change bearing over distance only, so many are there you can change. And you can edit also. Just click here, create new style or current copy. I'm going to create new style. Okay, just here. Then we can give to name number and 7. Okay, or you can see right here number or distance. Okay, like that. Then left general nothing, it's just view. and come to layout. Here is the tag, and you write here the distance, select it. Okay, then come to here down, then text, you will click, then this three dot will be appear, then just click on it and the select all and delete it. You come here, the segment length, we want the length also. Okay, then come to down, what we want the segment starting corner north. Okay, then first you have to write here, give space and n, then click the starting northing, just click here. Okay, then give small space, then write here e and go to here, select the starting string, then just click once. Okay, now it's okay. You see here all are changed. Now apply and okay and okay. You see, as we made changing appeared here. You see, okay. If you don't want this arrow and this string northing in degree, then just click once here and come to back here again. Okay, then edit label. This is our style. Now this time we are going to edit the current style. Okay, then yet this tag you can't remove, but in direction arrow, come here, just click and delete it. And bearing, just come and delete it. Okay, and apply. Okay, and okay. You see, arrow has gone and bearing has gone. Now this is our only length and string and northing corner. Here you can make small another. Just go edit label. This current style you have to change here and come to here and here. You see, this is the parcel number. Okay. So I'm changing something maybe wrong, because you first select the distance here, then go and then click, then you will get these things. And here do one thing, just one times hit enter, so it will be come down. Then okay, 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 and okay here. Now you see the distance is the opposite and eastern northern coordinates are downside. If you want to change this all like that same, then just now use the match property. Just click here once and select the all. So you see, now all has been changed the same as these things. So like this, you can create or edit the labels. Now we are going to make the numbers like that in series. See, start from 13. If you want to start from 100 or start from the 1, you can start. Like just click once here and option is here, renumbers or renames. So we are going to just click to here, choose our site and starting number is the 1 and use the name template or parcel template, like that you can do. Okay, and rename, if you want to rename, then you can rename from here. Just click once here. Okay, then it's asking a polyline site, means from where you want to start. Suppose I want to start from here, number 1. Okay, and go to this site and go to this site and go to this site, then hit the enter. Okay, and again hit enter once. Then now you see number number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the serial number, so you can change the numbers names as you like. Okay, if you want to change the name, then just click here. Again, rename or renumber. Here come renumber. You don't want rename. You want to rename now. So name you can enter the use the name template in the parcel, or you can create another one. If you want to create, then you create this here like a just click OK and OK. Then it's asking the polyline again, 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 again. Hit enter, enter, enter. Okay. Then say on parcel sharp. Okay. And now you can create the parcel data table. So how to create? Just click once here and see the add table, or you can add label from also here. You see here area. Now we are adding the table. So add table means add the segments. Okay, these segments, which segments you want. Just I'm click one tool bus here, or you can change it as you like. Just I'm adding like that. Okay, then go. Okay, just you go. So select your parcel. I'm going to select here, 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 then enter. Oh, not selected. Tags. We should be select the tags. Okay, tags. Okay, 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 and hit the enter. Then okay. Then what? Okay, and select here. Add already selected. Then okay. Click up and you can get the table. In table, bearing data, radius, non-radius, length is here. Like that you can create your tables, and you can edit also table. Just select here, anywhere in there, and right click, edit table style. You can edit here. You want to like this radius you want to remove, just click here, or if you want to some add, then you can add. Just apply and okay. See, radius already removed from here. So like this you can create that data tables, assigning the labels, editing, creating, everything you can do as you like. Okay, thanks for watching. If any comments, please ask me. I will tell you.